Not very nice.
What are you quacking about?
That thing behind you.
This is your son, dear.
I've created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-of-the-mill conduct, that's all.
That's all? I know. I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you. I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See, he didn't even flinch. And I want you all to get spruced up and ready to meet the other members of the Duckyard, be educated in the ways of the world. Drink, don't stare at him. Look at him. Not in children, let's not make a fuss. Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Very likeness isn't strong, so you won't go far. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you. Follow me. Stay close at all times, and you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat. Look at him. Legs are bending, his knees are not. Look at him. Dad was obviously eggshell shocked. And the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the balanced waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Touchy. Look at me, look at you. What's it matter? Isn't it obvious? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff? Have you seen your reflection? Why don't we say we love it? Because